Hello, students. This is the second part of first chapter, Triumph of Surgery. Let's begin. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, leaking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Jostling means धक्का मुक्की करना. So the writer says that when they had finished their food, at that time Tricky made a round there, एक चक्कर लगाया उन बाउल्स को, एंड ही लीक्ड वन और टू ऑफ द बाउल्स. नेक्स्ट डे an extra bowl was arranged, put out means arranged for him, and he was interesting in it, means he was jostling धक्का मुक्की करना to reach that place. From then on, his progress was rapid, means from that time onwards he started, or now the progress was on. He had no medical or medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs. Underline it, you can, if you can underline, please underline. So this can be the answer of any question, that what kind of medicinal treatment was provided for him. So he had no medical or medicinal treatment provided for him. For the whole day he ran about with the dogs, joining their friendly scrimmages. स्क्रिमजेज मीन्स हाथापाई करना या धक्का मुक्की करना, मीन्स डॉग्स के साथ वो इधर उधर दौड़ता रहता था. किसी तरह का उसको कोई मेडिसिनल ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया गया था. ही डिस्कवर्ड द जॉयज ऑफ बीइंग बाउल्ड ओवर, tramped on and squeezed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang. Unlikely gang, which gang? द गैंग ऑफ डॉग्स. यहाँ पे उसकी डॉग्स की गैंग, जो काफ़ी सारे डॉग्स उसकी ग्रुप में थे, या डॉग्स का जो ग्रुप था उसके लिए कहा गया. देन नाउ ही वॉज कम्प्लीटली एक्सेप्टेड बाय द अदर्स ऑल्सो, एंड दे जस्ट tramped one another, and like this they played. Tramped on means कुचला जाना. तो इस तरह से गेम्स खेलते थे वो डॉग्स, इधर उधर दौड़ते थे, कभी वो नीचे गिर रहा है, इस तरह से वो. he was quite happy and he was completely accepted member of that gang. And unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Now it was, means that dog was, Tricky was very much happy living there. Okay, and in daytime or the time of food, they quarreled, they jostled, they scrimmages with one another, but at night they hunt together, and he was spending his best time of his life. All the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. Dodged means बचना, कतरा कर निकलना, साइड हो जाना, बहाना बनाना. कन्वल्सिंग मीन्स स्वस्थ होना, अच्छा होना, ठीक होना, क्योर होना. सो द राइटर सेज हियर that Mrs. Pumphrey was very much worried about that dog. She used to call many times. Here the dozen times a day is mentioned, means many times he would call and he would ask about her dog. She would ask about her dog. And when she asked such kind of questions, that whether you have changed her bed or not, such questions were completely ignored or avoided. And she was completely informed that her dog was quite well and he was improving. That much information was provided to her. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength for a happy period of my partners, and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now, because when she was informed that Tricky was improving, or Tricky's health was improving, so she, as it was earlier mentioned, that she was overcaring, she used to overfed the Tricky. So the same thing you can see here, that she started sending the eggs for that dog for the breakfast. Okay, and after that, when the bottles of wine began to arrive, means after some time, she started sending wine for the little dog. The real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Means here the writer says कि जब वाइन की बोतल्स भी जब मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने भेजी, तब उनके घर की जो रियल सिचुएशन थी कि उन्होंने घर पे क्या क्या चीज़ें दी होगी और किस वजह से वो बीमार पड़ा है, तो एग्जैक्ट और करेक्ट सिचुएशन, घर की जो कंडीशन, घर पे वो क्या क्या खिलाती, वो अब उनको समझ में आया था. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. You can underline it. That it helped, according to that Mrs. Pumphrey, it will help to enrich Tricky's blood. उसके ब्लड को थोड़ा गाढ़ा करने में या खून को पुष्ट करने के लिए वो ये सब कर रही थी. बट lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before the several during the meal. Now, for them, the doctor and his assistant, now they were not at all giving any kind of such food, such drinks to that Tricky, and they themselves were using during the lunch time, before the lunch time, means they all were celebrating it like a ceremonial occasion. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. Reverently means Shraddha Purvak. Constitution means Sarachana, Gathan, structure, means to improve its structure or Tricky's structure to give him more profit. Now the brandy is also a kind of liquor, शराब का ही एक प्रकार है. So that was sent by that lady, and for a few nights, means for upcoming few nights, they were cherishing, they were relishing, means the doctor and his assistants were having that drink. They were days of deep content. Content means satisfaction. Now, for them, the doctor and his assistants, so those were the days of deep satisfaction, contentment, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. Means all the things, all the stuffs, whatever was sent by that lady for that dog was not at all given to the dog, whether, and in spite of giving that dog, they themselves, means the doctor and his assistants were having that or those things. It was a temptation to keep Tricky. Temptation means attraction. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled. Compelled means badhya hona, majboor hona, to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Now, it was really a good thing, means they were spending their good time because everything, the drink, the eggs they were getting from that lady. Okay, so they were having that good time, and that was the temptation for the doctor and his assistants. So at the beginning it was like a temptation, but he knew this thing, the doctor knew that how impatient the lady would be. So he was compelled to call, means he called that lady and told her that she can collect that or she can take that dog because it had completely recovered. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Here, her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Now, within minutes, means as he called that lady. So, without wasting any time, at the same time, she appeared there in a car, in a long, because it was mentioned that she was very rich lady. So, in a very splendor car, she reached there, and she asked the doctor about the dog, whether it is better. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. And he informed that he is completely better and no need for you to get out of the car. I'll fetch that dog here. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. Means at that time when he went in to get that dog, it was playing with other dogs. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. So, here it is said that lithe means lachila, furtila, hard muscled animal. Now, within 15 days or 14 days, he transformed himself and he has become now hard muscled and a lithe type of animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in the great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Means he was completely, he has become the hard muscle, okay, and completely well kind of dog now. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur means driver of the car, चालक जिसे कहते हैं. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap. Tremendous leap means jump करना या अचानक से jump करना. Leap means छलांग लगाना, कूदना. She gave a startle. Startle means shock. Startle means shock karna, chonkna. She said, "Oh," and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Now, it was very good thing to see. So now, both that lady and the dog both were very happy. So it started licking that lady, Barking means that was the expression of joy, happiness. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, cots, and bowls, none of which had been used. Now, this is also important thing that all the things which that lady sent with that dog, nothing was used. He was kept with the other dogs. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriot, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. Now, she thanked at the end of the chapter. She thanked and she was very grateful. She showed her grateful or gratitude towards that doctor. That is all about the chapter, and James Harriet is the writer of the chapter. That's all.